Never thought I'd get to the beach on my first week.
In their own business and like
Just
living their best life.
getting showered by the rain.
Fuck way. There isn't rain here.
That's the thing. So it's not even by the rain. She getting showered by I don't know what now.
Okay, you see, like we come to the beach.
Yeah. Lion's Head in front of us, boys. Yeah, it actually slept over like a house here by the thingy. By the coast. Guys, I think that man over there is planning the world's most painful earthly destruction over the beach. And that guy is playing the songs of the wave. The power of good versus evil. I don't even know if I want to post this. Cop yours. Whenever you're at the beach, when you're just chilling on some rocks, Felicia got you protected. Shout out to the boy. I miss my gang so much. Granted, we are at the beach, but still, I miss my people. But anyway, yeah, I just decided to take a video like this. I don't know, I'm assuming you guys can hear like the crashing waves and stuff behind me. But it's fine. Yeah. Just don't know how long we're gonna chill here by the beach. And I think we'll be alright. We'll be Gucci. And just smelling this fresh, very fresh ocean air. Yeah. That's a yacht dude. Me and Bo got kicked out the yacht club. I'ma own one of those. Or I'ma ride one of those. Either way, me and the yacht will be involved. Guys, this water is cold. It feels like jagged ice, especially on that return. Now I had to dig my feet in so I don't run away. But it's important though, it's for the muscles, you know, muscle recovery and that. But we're managing.
Bruh. Long should I ask you? Cook that, cook, okay? I'm looking at you.
No, it's done. I mean, it's toast is done. Daniel not coming. But we were just
Marcel's knows how to do business. Cafe to Guya Bahanda. And that's just from the waves moving.
What?
I'm saying the wind is just from the waves moving. Okay.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Guys, it's cold in Cape Town.
They do volley, but
Yeah, but it's like it's a little bit
Like
light.
that other side there.
Yeah, and then those other two girls are just playing on their own. Yeah. It's nothing crazy.
huh?
I'm saying it's nothing crazy. Time I've been climbing these rocks, yo. Top of the world, baby. Top of the world. Sean. Because Vele, you don't want to chew, you don't want to eat out when you're here.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of nice things.
Exactly. So,
Hell, even
like different places.
yeah. Welcome to First Thursday in Cape Town. Madness.